When respect is no longer an option, leave. 1. One chance is all they get. The first red flag is enough. 2. Never beg for what should be given freely. If respect has to be demanded, it isn't genuine. 3. Those who dismiss you don't deserve access. Disrespect should be met with distance, not negotiation. 4. Protecting your peace should come first. Some battles aren't worth fighting. 5. Silence sends the strongest message. The absence of your engagement speaks louder than words. 6. Dignity remains intact when you walk away. Leaving isn't weakness, it's wisdom. 7. Level up. Success makes the loudest statement. The best revenge is proving you never needed them.
When someone betrays you. 1. Accept it immediately. Denial only delays healing. 2. Cut off their access. Betrayal forfeits privilege. 3. Resist explanations. Truth needs no validation. 4. Don't seek revenge. Their own actions are punishment enough. 5. Rebuild with wisdom. Trust should be earned, not given freely. 6. Channel pain into progress. Let it fuel your evolution. 7. Move forward, never back. Yesterday's betrayal is not tomorrow's burden. When someone constantly drains you. 1. Recognize the exhaustion. If every interaction leaves you depleted, it's a sign. 2. Limit your availability. You don't owe them unlimited access to your energy. 3. Stop playing the fixer. Their problems are not yours to solve. 4. Redirect your focus. Pour energy into people who uplift you. 5. Guard your emotional space. Not everyone deserves entry. 6. Prioritize self-care. What nourishes you should come first. 7. Walk away without guilt. Protecting yourself is not selfish, it's necessary.
When someone doesn't listen. 1. Speak once, then observe. If they don't listen the first time, they won't listen the 10th. 2. Stop repeating yourself. Your words are valuable. Don't waste them. 3. Limit communication. Conversations should not be one-sided lectures. 4. Protect your energy. A listener, not a talker, deserves your words. 5. Choose relationships that value you. Presence means nothing without attention. 6. Lead by example. Show them respect by respecting yourself first. 7. Walk away with certainty. You shouldn't have to fight for basic courtesy.
When someone doesn't value you. 1. Withdraw your energy. Attention is power. Stop wasting it on those who don't appreciate it. 2. Say nothing. Silence holds more strength than arguments. Let your absence speak louder than words. 3. Protect your peace. Their chaos is not your burden. Guard your mind like a fortress. 4. Level up quietly. Success is the ultimate response. Let your progress do the talking. 5. Set boundaries quickly. If they cross the line once, reinforce it even stronger. 6. Stop explaining yourself. Your worth isn't up for debate. You never need to justify it. 7. Walk away with dignity. The strongest move is leaving without a word. By the time they notice, it'll be too late.
When someone guilt trips you. 1. Recognize the manipulation. Obligation should never be forced. 2. Decline without excuses. You don't need to justify self-respect. 3. Reinforce boundaries. Guilt should not dictate your choices. 4. Stop over-explaining. Your decisions belong to you. 5. Remove emotional control. Their tactics only work if you allow them to. 6. Choose peace over pressure. Your well-being is more important than their expectations. 7. Walk away when needed. Emotional independence is worth more than their approval.
When someone is disrespectful, 1. Address it once. If they dismiss it, they've made their stance clear. 2. Never match their behavior. Silence is more powerful than retaliation. 3. Distance yourself. Respect should never be begged for. 4. Set hard boundaries. They'll test them, so make them unbreakable. 5. Elevate beyond pettiness. Your dignity is worth more than their antics. 6. Reinforce self-worth. Their treatment of you says more about them. 7. Let them lose. Access. Respect is the price of admission to your life. When someone is manipulative. 1. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, it usually is. 2. Call out the patterns. Manipulation thrives in secrecy. 3. Set non-negotiable boundaries. Emotional games should never be tolerated. 4. Stay emotionally detached. Their tactics lose power when you refuse to react. 5. Never justify your decisions. Your choices are yours alone. 6. Keep distance. Manipulators thrive when given access. 7. Remove yourself entirely. There, control dissolves when you step away. When someone is passive-aggressive. 1. Don't engage. Passive aggression craves reaction. 2. Call it out calmly. Expose the behavior for what it is. 3. Hold firm boundaries. Subtle disrespect is still disrespect. 4. Refuse to decode. Their games. Direct communication is the only option. 5. Respond with indifference. Their tactics lose power when ignored. 6. Reinforce self-respect. Their negativity is theirs to carry. 7. If the cycle repeats, remove yourself. Some battles aren't worth fighting.
When someone never apologizes. 1. Accept who they are. Waiting for an apology is wasted energy. 2. Stop explaining your hurt. They understand. They just don't care enough. 3. Set emotional distance. People who avoid accountability don't deserve closeness. 4. Never internalize their behavior. Their inability to apologize is their flaw, not yours. 5. Prioritize those who respect you. Real connections require mutual responsibility. 6. Break the cycle. If they won't change, change your response. 7. Move forward without closure. Healing doesn't require their acknowledgement.
When someone takes you for granted, 1. Stop overextending. Your kindness is not to be exploited. 2. Make them work for it. When value is unappreciated, effort must be demanded. 3. Say no more often. Their expectations should not dictate your actions. 4. Withdraw what they assume is guaranteed. Let them see the difference. 5. Speak up once, then let actions speak louder. If they don't listen, they don't care. 6. Focus on relationships that reciprocate. Energy should be exchanged, not extracted. 7. If they don't adjust, walk away. Absence teaches what presence never could.
When someone talks down to you. 1. Hold your posture. Confidence unsettles condescension. 2. Correct them once, then disengage. Some people need to feel superior. 3. Never accept their tone. They don't define you. 4. Maintain dignity in every response. Their arrogance does not deserve your anger. 5. Redirect your focus. Engage with those who lift, not diminish you. 6. Make your boundaries felt. People who belittle you should feel your absence. 7. Continue rising. Their words are irrelevant to your progress.